Okay, we're going to explore yet another way to calculate percentages. Now, we're not actually going to find percentages because in this case they're going to give us the percentage, but we have a part of a number. So 24 is 30% of what big number? Now, we haven't figured that one out before. Now, the first thing we're going to do is convert the percent to a decimal, and then we're going to do our is over of. So we're going to make a little fraction right here, is over of. Now 30% is 30 hundredths or 0.30. Remember, we moved the decimal over 2 places to the left, and we set up this fraction. Now when we have a fraction like this, we know that fraction is just a division problem. Okay, so we're going to set up our fraction, our division problem this way: 24 divided by 0.30. Now there's some things we're going to have to do with this. We don't want this decimal out here, so we're going to move it over 2 places and put it back here. We really don't even need it there, but we're going to put it there for right now. If we move it over 2 places this way, we're going to have to move it over 2 places in this number too. Okay? So since both the decimals at the end of our number, I'm just going to get rid of them. Okay? So we don't need them after all if they're at the end of the number. Okay? And we're going to divide. Now 30 doesn't go into 24, but 30 goes into 240 8 times. So let me put in the text box right here. 8 times. Get that a little bit bigger. Okay, 8 times. Let's get rid of that decimal. Now I know that 8 times 30 is going to equal 240. So I know it's going to equal 240. I need to put a subtraction sign up there because we're going to be doing some subtraction now. Okay, and I'm going to subtract them, and I'm going to get 0. 240 minus 240 equals 0. Then I'm going to bring down this 0 right here. 30 goes into 0 times. 0 times 30 is 0. And I subtract them, and guess what? 0 minus 0 equals 0. Oops. We don't need that underline, so we'll get rid of it. Okay? So, 30 goes into 2,480 times. Okay, remember that was the same as 0.3 going into 24. Okay, 30 hundredths going into 24. So, I know that 24 is 30% of 80. So if I multiply this 80 by 0.3, my answer is going to be 24.